Hello, welcome to day 10 of our MTech digital calendar of tools. My name's Devin Austin, here to lead you through an amazing Lumio resource to get that learning a little more festive with your students. Lumio, if you've never used it, is a really great way to get your students interacting in the lessons that you make. We can also take lessons that we've already made in Google Slides or other formats, add them to Lumio and add those interactive elements so students are able to engage, follow along, and again, we look at those principles of UDL. So what you'll notice on the slide is I have a little Lumio image here, so right next to my Nutcracker. If I give it a click, I can click on it and it's going to take me to Lumio. So I have linked Lumio through here. Now, alternatively, if you're looking for Lumio yourself, we can go here to ECSD bookmarks and Smart Learning Suite. That will take you to Lumio. So in the Lumio library, you'll notice I have a whole bunch of activities here that have to do with language arts, with math, with choice, and I can go through. And what I can decide is maybe I want to use one with my students. So I'm just going to use this winter choice board one and I'm going to click on it and I'm going to notice it's going to open. And what I can do here is I can view it, look at it, see what it's all about. And when I'm ready, I'm going to simply hit save to my library. And what it's going to do is it's going to create a copy in my own library. That way, I am able to use it with my students, customize it, make it my own. That way, it's a little more tailored, personalized to my students. So usually it takes a couple seconds to load. And what you'll see in the bottom here, once it's done loading, is that I'm able to have a little edit button. But I'm going to show you too how you can just simply click on my library. And once that loads, you'll notice I have it here. I have two options. I can either edit. So by clicking edit, what that simply does is it opens up the ability for me to go through all the different slides that I have a part of my winter solstice choice board here. But alternatively, I can go down to the plus here and I simply can look at templates, ready-made resources. I can also search the Lumio library here. And let's say I have something else as a winter choice board. I can actually import a resource here from slides or PowerPoint, a PDF, a smart notebook, all of those things that I've already made and I can make them interactive. So that's really, really cool. So once I'm done, I can hit finish editing and go back and hover over and I can click start. By clicking start, this is me engaging with the students. So what I can do here is I have the ability to annotate over my slides, my interactive elements. But if I go up here to my little people that has 0 currently, I can decide how I want to make this into a activity with my students. So I can make it individual for them, group, or we can do it as a whole class. And simply all I need to do to get my students to join is I need to go to the box with the arrow, click on it. I can get them to join with a QR code. Students can go on their devices here, get the class code, but even easier, I can copy and put this in my Google Classroom. They can click on it and they'll be in very quickly. And then all I have to do is wait for the students to connect and then I'm able to launch that activity and get them to do it along with me. So hopefully you have fun exploring all of these wonderful Lumio resources. Take care and enjoy.